Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've been waiting for because this is a single family coach home, which means it's a really well done, all new, brand new built, single family, two-bedroom coach home. Look at this kitchen. Black finishes, nice stainless steel, beautiful counters, in-suite laundry. You got washer, you got dryer. It's all right there. Very well laid out. Open concept kitchen, living, dining, as you can see from here. Very, very generous, very efficient heat pumps as the heating system. As we get into the bedrooms here, you're going to see each room has its own heat pump. That means each room has its own heating system, which is awesome. Very generous bedrooms, all new, beautiful gray color. You can see the tile that we've used here, the luxury vinyl tile on the floor is fantastic. Good storage in the bedrooms as well with these big, very generous closets. You're going to have no problem squeezing all your stuff in there. That is for sure. This is a two-bedroom, one-bathroom, single family. And as you can see here, nice black accent finishes. The shower is really, really well done with that shelf in the shower. Beautiful finishes here. And listen, it's brand new. It's great. It looks amazing. And you and your family, whether you're a single person, whether you are someone who's looking for a new place to live, this is the place you want to be. You can book a showing at any time. Just call or text us 705-998-2017 and get booked now.